How did the Roman arch keystone work? Imagine a structure so strong it could span wide gaps and carry heavy loads without many supporting columns. That's the power of the Roman arch and its keystone. The keystone is the last piece placed at the top of the arch. It's wedge-shaped, wider in the middle and narrower at the ends. When builders constructed an arch, they first made a wooden frame called a centering to hold the stones in place. They carefully shaped each stone, known as voussoirs, to fit into a curved pattern. The keystone was the final stone to be set into position. Once it was in place, it locked all the other stones together. This locking action was the secret to the arch's strength. The keystone worked by transferring the weight of whatever was above the arch down into the sides. When weight pressed down on the keystone, it pushed outward on the voussoirs. Because of the arch's shape, this outward push was converted into a downward force. The sides of the arch, called the abutments or supports, then carried this force down to the ground. The keystone's position made sure the forces were evenly spread out. This kept the arch stable and prevented it from collapsing. Without the keystone, the arch would fall apart because the stones would not stay in place. The keystone was so important that builders often made it larger or decorated it to show its significance. Romans used arches and keystones in many structures like bridges, aqueducts, and monumental buildings such as the Colosseum and triumphal arches. These structures could span wide spaces and carry water over valleys. The arch with a keystone also made buildings more spacious because fewer supports were needed. The keystone's role was so vital that it became a symbol of Roman engineering skill. Its design allowed Romans to create durable, large, and impressive structures that still influence architecture today. The keystone was the final piece that made the arch work, turning simple stones into engineering marvels that stood the test of time.